What's going on, man? It's Jamil here. In this video, I'm gonna give you 5 proven hacks to boost your motivation and start taking action towards your goals right now. I just want to start this video and saying that all of us have some goals. There is a lot of struggle to conquer in our life. Maybe for you is going to the gym and start gaining some weight or losing some weight, or maybe you want to quit your job and start business. Most of the time, we usually have all the information we need to get started with this goal. To stay consistent with this goal, usually we are lacking that motivation. We need to make it actually happen. In this video, I'm gonna give you the quick tools you can use. Start getting forwarding and gain the right moment in your life. The first one is to identify the smallest possible step that you can take it right now. For example, if you have been watching my channel and my main goal is right now to have 50,000 subscribers for this year, and this year sometime I just feel like I need to stop this work because I think about for the whole year, and then I think, oh no, I need to make every week one video, then maybe I come in the end of this year, then I will be able to have 50,000 subscribers. When I think about the whole year, then that is really for me is a big stress, because then I think and I feel like that no, I need to stop this making these videos because the procedure is really very long. So instead of thinking for the whole year, then I think only the best way what I find is to just think about tomorrow, and that tomorrow, when I think about the tomorrow work, that which video to focus on tomorrow, and then I feel easy, and that make me to concentrate only for tomorrow, and and it makes me to release from the whole year's stress. Hope that makes sense. Anyway, I'm gonna take this video on the road. I got a haircut and hit the gym. Let's keep it going on. Shop. And the second hacks I have for you is to put some cash up. For example, I am trying to make the movie. I'm trying to become a YouTuber. I have spent a lot of money for this equipment. For example, I bought this camera $1,000, and 500 euro I have spent it for the other equipments, for the spotlight, for the stabilizer, for tripods, and for other stuffs like this. So when you spend the money, that's just like a fire under your belly. So you try to do your work, whatever you want to do. And for example, also if you want to start the fitness, or maybe you want to try to gain the weight, or maybe you want to lose the weight, so my suggestion is to get an expensive admission in the gym. $100 for a month you pay, and when you spend a lot of money for the fitness for monthly, so then you try to do and to go there because you have spent a lot of money. I have for you is to share your goals with other people. When you share your goal with other people, then you have a pressure And because you are not accountable just only to yourself, you are accountable to other people also, because they wait for you. They check your Facebook, they check the Instagram time by time, because when then you will have the pressure, because you have shared your goal with other people. So it's very important.